If x square equals 17x plus y and y square equal x plus 17y, where x not equals y, then find the value of x square plus y square. To solve this equation, let assume x square equals 17x plus y is equation 1 and y square equals x plus 17y is equation 2. Now subtract equation 2 from equation 1, then we get x square minus y square equals 17x plus y minus x plus 17y. Simplify this equation, then we get x square minus y square equals 16x minus 16y. We know x square minus y square equals x plus y into x minus y. Also we can factorize the right hand side with 16. Then we get x plus y into x minus y equals 16 times x minus y. That is x plus y equals 16. We know x not equals y, so x minus y is not equals 0. So we can divide it with x minus y. Then we get x plus y equals 16. Now come back to the equations and add both equation 1 and equation 2. Then we get x square plus y square equals 17x plus y plus x plus 17y. That is x square plus y square equals 18x plus 18y, which is equals 18 times x plus y. We know x plus y is 60, so we can write x square plus y square equals 18 times 16. That is x square plus y square equals 288.